Using next question number 8 of exercise 6.2. Using converse of BPT, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So here in this triangle, given that in a triangle ABC, D and E are midpoints of the sides AB and AC. So D and E are midpoints of the sides AB and AC. So if it is a midpoint, then this AD is equal to DB, and similarly AE is equal to EC. So here AD is equal to DB. When you bring DB to the other side, it goes to the denominator. So AD by DB is equal to 1. Similarly, when you bring this EC to the denominator, AE by EC is equal to 1. So when the right hand sides are equal, then automatically the left hand sides are equal. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So if the sides are proportional, then the line must be parallel. So DE is parallel to BC by converse of BPT theorem. What converse of BPT theorem is saying? If these two are midpoints of the sides and it is dividing the two sides in the same ratio, then the line DE will be surely parallel to BC. Okay, now question number 10. Question number 9 and 10 both are more or less same. So let me explain question number 10 and you go through question number 9, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Now question number 10, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O. Prove that AO by BO equal to such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So here this quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at O. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. We have drawn two diagonals AC and BD which intersect at a point O. And one more condition they have given, AO by BO. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So now if we transpose, what will happen? This CO here they are bringing, and this BO they are shifting to the other side. So AO by CO or OC, which is equal to BO by DO. They were shifting this CO and BO since it is equal. Now we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. To prove that, we have to do some construction. What construction? Draw EO parallel to AB. So now we have drawn EO which is parallel to AB. So now this EO or OE we can call by any name. Now in triangle ABC, this and this are parallel. So when you take this triangle ABC and this OE is parallel. So if it is parallel, what happen? Then AO by OC is equal to BE by EC. You can write CO by OA also. Here they have written AO by OC is equal to BE by AC. But it is given, we have got in this type, no? So we are writing the proportionality also as a given manner. So here what is given? AO by OC is equal to BO by DO. From this, if the left hand sides are equal, AO by OC, AO by OC is equal. So we can write that this BE by EC is equal to BO by DO. BO by DO is equal to BE by EC. What is BO by DO? BO by DO is equal to BE by EC. So if these two sides are proportional, then this line must be parallel to this side. OE is parallel to DC. OE is parallel to DC. Already we have drawn OE is parallel to AB, and we have got now OE is parallel to DC by converse of BPT. So from these two, what you got? If the left hand side is OE here, these two are equal. Therefore AB is parallel to DC. We know in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. So this quadrilateral ABCD, now it is a trapezium since one pair of opposite sides AB is parallel to DC. Okay, in this manner you have to solve whatever questions they have given. You just use BPT or converse of BPT. That is, if the sides are proportional, if it is given, then you have to use the parallel concept. Then the line must be parallel. So once if it is parallel, then if one pair of opposite side is parallel, then it is a trapezium. Okay, so you have to use those conditions. Then if you have any doubt in question number 9, you please tell me. I will explain once again. Thank you.